Andy, great to have you with us. Today we're going to talk you through this gorgeous Louis Vuitton bag, and it really is beautiful. It's a Louis Vuitton favourite in Damier Azur, and it's just beautiful. Look at it. That gorgeous coated canvas with these beautiful little side pouches. There's the back. It's one piece of fabric, so of course the Louis is upside down. And I'll just show you the base as well. Now you've got a choice of handles. You've got the longer strap or you've got the shorter chain strap, which you could have them both, or you could pick one, or you could have none and have it as a little clutch bag, depending on what you were doing that day and how you wanted it. That's the right way up. So you've got a little choice. Size-wise, size-length-wise, measurements are on the website of this bag. If you click the link below, it will take you there. But I'm about 5'4" and a UK size 10, so that gives you an idea perhaps of the length if you wanted it as a crossbody. If you wanted it as a little chain, it does fit comfortably underneath your arm. And of course on the front we've got that gorgeous little plaque there. And it fastens, there's an invisible magnet that it clasps to, I don't know if that's the phrase, inside there. And then inside it's lined in beautiful pale fabric. So you can see right inside. It's got one little flat pocket, it's got the little Louis badge here. Can I pull that up so you can see it? Just about. And the date code is just in there. Can you see just there? Now I don't think I can pull that in close enough for you to see, but there's a photograph of the date code on the website. So this particular bag comes with the Louis Vuitton box, and inside the box you've got tissue paper which has the Louis Vuitton stickers on it. We've also got the fabric card and of course little Louis Vuitton dust bag. Condition of the bag. So we have called the exterior very good. There is nothing for me to point out to you. You can just see that it's been used perhaps a couple of times. So there's no signs of wear on the bottom corners. There's no real signs of wear anywhere. You can just tell that perhaps somebody has used the bag. The interior we've called good condition. Again, there is nothing for me to point out, but you can just see that somebody has used it. So good condition there. The hardware we've actually called worn. Now, the strap, for example, is absolutely fantastic condition. All of the fastens are in excellent condition. The only reason we've called it worn is because of the wear to the plaque. Now, if I hold it, I'm trying to get, there you go. If I hold it there, can you see? There is just some signs of wear. So to the top here, there's a little bit of wear there and all over really. I'm trying to hold it so that you see the plaque but don't get a reflection or anything else. I think that's about there. So we've called it the hardware worn for that reason. The rest of the hardware is absolutely fantastic. So if you are interested in this bag, there is a link to it on our website. If you go to my comments below the video, it will take you to our website and you can shop all of our other pre-owned luxury bags, purses and wallets on there. Whilst you're on the website, sign up to our newsletter and we'll send you a discount code for 5% off your first purchase with us. So it's well worth going, signing up, getting that discount code ready. And if there is a bag that you are looking to either sell or a bag that you are hoping to find on a pre-loved site, email me and let me know. Email and let me know what bags you've got to sell, and email me and let me know which bags you're looking for to buy. You can either message me in the comments below, or if you go to our website, there's a contact page. Just email me via that and I will be in touch ASAP.